In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit fields in Zoho CRM. Whether you're new to Zoho CRM or simply looking to customize it further for your business needs, modifying fields is a powerful way to tailor your CRM to align with your processes. Let's dive into how you can effortlessly do this within Zoho CRM. First, you'll need to access the layout editor. Begin by logging into Zoho CRM with your admin credentials. As an admin, you have the necessary permissions to make these modifications. Once logged in, navigate to the bottom left corner of your screen where you'll see the setup icon, which looks like a cogwheel. Click on this icon to access the setup page. Next, go ahead and click on Customization, followed by Modules and Fields. Here, you will see a list of various modules available in your CRM such as Leads, Contacts, and Deals. Select the module you wish to modify, and this will take you directly into the layout editor for that specific module. Now that you're in the layout editor, let's move on to editing an existing field. Take a look at the list of fields displayed. Find the field you want to edit. Hover your cursor over this field, and you will notice a gear icon appearing beside it. This icon, marked with 3 horizontal dots or ellipses, provides additional options for that field. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, choose either Edit Properties or Field Properties, depending on what you're looking to adjust. Within the Edit Properties window, you'll have a variety of attributes that you can update. This flexibility allows you to make the field more suited to your needs. You can adjust the label or API name, which effectively changes how the field is labeled throughout the CRM interface and in your external integrations. If the field type is text, number, or currency, you can modify the field length to control the amount of data users can input. You also have the option to set the required flag, making the field mandatory for users to fill out before they save the record. Additionally, you can define a default value, which will pre-fill in new records, saving time and ensuring consistency. If your field is a pick list, you can update the available options here too. After you've made all your desired changes, make sure to click Save to apply the updates to that field. Once you've saved your edits, it's important to remember to click Save Layout. This action ensures that all the modifications you've made are carried through and implemented within the module layout. And that's it. You now have the skills to edit fields in Zoho CRM, making your CRM even more effective for your unique business workflows. Thanks for tuning in, and happy